We calculate the G value for cerium plus recharger. What is the cerium? Cerium is 4f1 electronic configuration. We just write on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's got 7 box plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, just put on that value plus 3. L equal to plus 3, S is equal to half, and that G is equal to half filled orbital L minus S. L minus S. What is the L minus S means? 3 minus half. 3 minus half. How much it is? 5 by 2. The G value formula, G is equal to 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 plus J into J plus 1 divided by 2J into J plus 1. Okay, just we have to be substitute this value in that equation. Simplify that value in that equation. Given 1 plus S means how much it is given? Half. S means half. Half plus 1 minus L 3 plus 1 plus J. J means how much? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Divided by 2J. 2 into J means how much? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, this we have to simplify. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 3 into 4 plus 5 by 2, 7 by 2 divided by 2, 5 by 2, how much it is? 7 by 2, 17. Just write down 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, just we have to simplify that equation given. 1 plus, okay, 1 by 3 means 3 by 4 minus 12 plus 35 by 4 divided by 2, 17 by 2, 17 by 4. Okay, 17 by 4. Next, step second, just simplify that value in that equation. Okay, same, just we have to multiply by 4. 3 by 4, 3, 1 plus 3 by 4. 12 multiply by 4, how much it is? 48 by 4 plus 35 by 4 divided by 17 by 4. 1 plus minus 10 by 4 divided by 17 by 4. We want to be cross multiply. 1 plus minus 10 by 4 into 4 by 17. 10 ones are 10 sevens are 4 cancel. 1 minus 1 by 7. How much it is answer? 6 by 7. 1. So minus sign, minus 10. So 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7, 6 by 7. This is our first method for G value. Okay, another method, cerium. 4f1 plus 3, L equal to 3, S is equal to half, J is equal to pi by 2. Okay, method second, G is equal to, find out the J value. G is equal to, is a 3 by 2 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 divided by 2J into J plus 1. Okay, 3 by 2, S means half plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, next we have to simplify that equation. Half means 0.5, 3 by 2, half means 0.5, 0.5 plus 1, 3 into 4 divided by, just we have to be cancel out, 2 to cancel, how much it is 5, 5 by 2 means 7 by 2, 7 by 2 means 2.5 plus 1, 5 by 2 means 2.5. Okay, next just we have to be simplify that value in that equation. 12 minus 3 by 2, therefore answer is 0.857. For the method first one, 1 plus S into S plus 1, L into L plus 1, J into J plus 1, 2J into J plus 1. For that formula the answer is given, how much it is 6 by 7. Okay, next one is that for that method we have to doing the substitute this value CDM, we have to get the answer is 0.857. Okay, now for that equation, so we have to be ratio from answer given. Okay, point wise. Okay, physical and chemical property of lanthanide elements. Lanthanide elements are silver, shiny, and tarnish easily when exposed to the air. Okay, lanthanide elements are tarnish easily when exposed to the air. And that are very reactive. Most of the non-metals like very reactive, most of the non-metals, like that which one is that non-metals in lanthanide elements, one is most of the reactive: cerium, promethium, neodymium and erbium. Okay, next one does not show the higher oxidation. I think it's a stable in +3 oxidation state, and that's why this data does not show the higher oxidation state. Does not show the higher oxidation state. They are stable in +3. Lanthanide elements are stable in that +3 oxidation state only. And next one is that high melting and boiling point of 4F subshell. Okay, high melting and boiling point of 4F subshell, and at more than the 8 coordination number, more than 8 coordination number. Next one is at a larger size and smaller chelating ligand like as NO3 SO4 2 minus. Greater shielding effect. Shielding is a greater shielding effect. And next one is at hydrolysis. Okay, hydrolysis depend upon the size directly proportional to the 1 by degree of hydrolysis. Well, in hydrolysis process, lanthanum hydrolysis, lanthanum tri and lutetium tri in hydrolysis process, basicity increases from that lanthanum element. More basicity or more basicity. And that next nitrate compound LaNO3 thrice and TmNO3 thrice. These are thermally stable. This is a lanthanide and physical chemical property of lanthanide elements.